Hello P1, hope you're doing well at home and hope you're learning. We've done some good work so far and we are here for another lesson. We are still looking at tens and ones. Remember, I told you that when we are counting in tens and ones, those are called place values. They are called place values. Now, last time, we learned how to fill in tens and ones when we've drawn the groups or the bundles. And we also looked at how to draw tens and ones. And I gave you some work. Hope you did it well. There are some of those ones who did it well because I've been checking on them and they are doing well. Hope you're also doing good work out there. And I'm here to continue with the same. Okay? Today, we are going to use numbers. We are going to fill in tens and ones using numbers. This time we are not going to use sticks. I don't have any sticks. I don't have anything. We are going to use numbers, okay? Now, when we are using numbers still, we are following our place values of tens and ones. Remember I told you, ones are always on the right-hand side and tens are on the left-hand side. So when we are having those numbers, still we have to know their place values. For example, look at this. We are going to fill in tens and ones. My number one is here. I have 24. 24. I want to identify which one is in tens and which one is in ones. We want to know which number is sleeping in the tens and which number is sitting in the ones, okay? Remember, before we fill in these tens and ones, we must know their place values, the place values of these two numbers, okay? Remember I told you which place value is on the right? Ones. Which place value is on the left? Tens. So we shall name these numbers, okay? Now, 4 is on my right-hand side. Which place value? Ones. So I will write O up there to mean ones. Capital O. Then, which place value is on the left? It is tens. So I will use capital T and identify. Now, can somebody tell me which number is in tens now and which number is in ones? Very fast. The one which is in tens is 2. So I write my 2. The one which is in ones is 4. So that's what we do. I have finished filling in my tens and ones. But before I filled in, I had to show their place values. Okay? That's 1. It's very simple work. I'm giving you another example. There we go. Which number is that? 16. Now, what are we going to first do? We are going to first give them their place values. Okay? Before we fill in tens and ones. Very fast, tell me, what is the place value of 6? It's ones. So I write capital O. What is the place value of 1? Tens. So I write capital T. From there now I'm going to write. Which number is in tens? 1. So I have 110. And which number is in ones? 6. That means I have one group of tens and 6 ones. All right? Now I'm going to give you another one. This one is a little bit tricky. Some people don't know what to do. Here we go. I have, my number is there, 0, 9. I have 0 and 9. Still, we shall write their place values before we fill in tens and ones. Okay? So what is the place value on the right hand side? Ones. So I will write my capital O above 9. Then 0 is in the place value of tens. So I write my capital T. When I'm filling in which number is in the tens, it's 0. So I write 0 there. I don't leave it empty. I have to show 0. Then which number is in ones? It's 9. So I have 0 tens and 9 ones. How about if I give you only one digit? This is my digit. I want to fill in tens and ones. But I have only one number like this, 1. Remember I told you, before we make 10, we don't make bundles. Now, if we are counting 5, do we reach 10 to make a bundle? No, we only count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've not made 10. So this number doesn't qualify to go in tens. It is in 1. So if it's one digit, doesn't qualify for 10. So it is ones, only ones. Now we go to fill in. Do we have tens? No, we don't have tens. So we shall just write 0 there. Because we have nothing in the place of tens. So we shall go to our ones and we take our ones, which is 5. Isn't it simple work? It's very simple. Now I'm going to just interchange. I start with dash tens plus dash ones will give me 36. Dash tens plus dash ones will give me 36. Do you know what we do? It's just the same as what we did here. We shall go to our teacher's number and we put their place values. We give these numbers their place values. Remember, the number which is on the right is the one in ones. The one on the left is in tens. Okay? So, in which place value is 6? It's in ones. So, I write capital O. Which place value is 3? It's in tens. So, I will write capital T. Then I will transfer my numbers into their place values. Which number is in the place of tens? It's 3. 3 is in 10. So I will write my 3 here. Which number is in ones? It's 6. So I will write my 6 there. That's how easy it is. Okay? How about if I say, I have 7 tens and 0 ones. What will it give me? I have 7 tens and 0 ones. What will it give me? It means the teacher wants that answer. Because here, look at this one. 3 tens plus 6 ones has given us 36. 36. That means 7 tens and 0 ones will give us 7 and 0. Which number is that? Is it 7 and 0? That number is 70. So that's how simple filling in tens and ones are. I'm going to give you just a few numbers. There will be like 5. 5 are enough, I think. 5 or 6 for you to fill in tens and ones. But remember, we always have to indicate their place values. We have always to indicate their place values. That's how simple my work has been. It's always simple work. P1, everybody will pass, I know, okay? So this is my activity. Once you finish learning the way I've taught, you're gonna do my exercise, and here it is. So these are just 5 numbers. I want a good handwriting. Please be careful as you're doing it. I don't want a rubber in my work. Just be neat, just be careful. Everything will be okay. I will mark this work. Don't say, teacher will not see this work. Teacher is not going to mark. I'm going to look at that handwriting. I'm going to look at that work and I'll mark it. If you get 5 out of 5, I'll give you a sticker. Thank you for listening. I wish you a nice time. Continue being good children. We love you so much. Very soon we shall come back to school. Bye.